Many recognize the famous fleur-de-lis as the symbol of scouting. Baden-Powell chose the fleur-de-lis because of its resemblance to a compass rose. Since the very beginning of Scouts, compasses have remained an integral part of the organization, serving as a tool to help Scouts find their way and, well, hopefully prevent them from getting lost. It's time to learn more about compasses that we find in the collection during this edition of Artifact of the Week. Now, as you may know, compasses use a magnetized piece of metal, commonly referred to as a needle, that points north along the Earth's magnetic field. The Chinese were the first civilization to use magnetic compasses, initially using it for spiritual practices to see the path of a person's life. By the beginning of the 11th or maybe the 12th century, the Chinese started to use compasses for navigational purposes. Now, at first, the compass was a backup navigational tool for sailors because they were less reliable than the stars themselves. Now, this compass here is a Chinese compass from 1750. It's made of wood, painted red, and stands over 3.5 inches tall. It's a marine compass, and it would be too bulky for hiking. Somewhere around the 15th century, navigators figured out that north indicated by a compass's needle differs from true north. Now, this difference between magnetic north and true north is called declination or variation. Now, in North America, magnetic declination varies from 30 degrees east in Alaska to 20 degrees west in Labrador, Maine. As a result, Scouts and other explorers must know how to account for that difference or they'll be totally lost. Compasses can be elaborate and decorative, like many of the compasses here in the collection. They can be made of metal, wood, leather, or even ivory. Now, Silva manufactures the official compass of the BSA. It's a preferred compass because they are very lightweight, they're easy to use, and they have elements built into them to help Scouts account for declination. Map and compass skills can be found in the advancement requirements for tenderfoot through first class. And the Orienteering Merit Badge, which was introduced in 1972, requires Scouts to successfully use a compass to navigate a series of orienteering courses. Now, for me personally, map and compass skills are among my favorite Scout skills to practice and to teach to others. For many folks out there, the GPS system has replaced the map and compass skills that we've all learned. It's really simplified navigation, and it can give a person their exact coordinates on a map. However, compasses remain an extremely useful tool, and I personally have never had the batteries in my compass die. Well, that's all we have time for today. Please join us next time as we showcase more history and artifacts from the National Scouting Museum, Philmont Scout Ranch.